Getting big. Let me explain. If you want to get big, there's one strategy that's miles ahead of the rest. Eat more food. I know. You're sick of hearing it. So am I. For us ectomorphs, eating more food already feels next to impossible. I mean, our metabolisms require more fuel than a Boeing 747. But at the end of the day, if you want to gain weight, you just gotta eat, man. There's not much else you can do. That being said, there's a few things you can do to help you eat more with that tiny appetite of yours. For example, setting a timer of, let's say, 5 to 10 minutes can help you focus on eating your meal before your body has time to release a hormone called leptin, which basically tells your stomach, hey, that's enough num-nums. To eat your meals even faster, try eating without watching anything. Listen. I know that ADHD ooga booga subway surfer's attention span of yours will hate it, but it works. Lastly, you can try drinking more carbonated drinks. The bubbles in seltzer water and pop release a different hormone called ghrelin, which basically tells your stomach, feed me more. But how much food should you eat? Check out my bulking video to find out how much you personally need. When it comes to getting bigger, food is your quickest option, but muscles aren't too bad either. So if you want to build muscle, protein is your friend. So give it a high five. But how much protein do you need? 1 gram of protein per pound you weigh is great, but it's not completely necessary. Just try your best to eat at least 100 grams a day. As important as protein is, it doesn't have much purpose beyond building muscle. And if you want the protein to build muscle, you need to train. You'll want to prioritize hypertrophy over strength training. Hypertrophy training simply means you hit failure each set between 6 and 30 reps, preferably 6 to 12. Whereas with strength training, you hit failure anywhere between 2 and 5 reps, preferably 3 or 4. Both training styles will make you bigger, but hypertrophy training will build more size, and strength training will build more, strength. But at the end of the day, it's still extremely difficult to eat enough food. You'll gain weight at first, but likely lose it a few days later. Trust me, I know the feeling. Keep in mind, your metabolism is only going to get faster the more you eat. So what do? Well, if you want to learn how you can change your metabolism, I suggest watching this video where I tell you how, step by step. And don't worry, it's simple.